I've been working day and night, just trying to get famous. Stay ahead or stay behind. Why don't we just roll with this? I'm a sucker for your swagger, only Tuesday night.
So this video was inspired by a DM I received on Instagram. Is it possible to have a creative and successful career? Well, as a first-generation Chinese American, I know university is intimidating. I felt alone during the entire application process, and I wish I had a mentor. You guys know I've always had this passion for fashion design, filmmaking, and marketing. Well, I'm happy to share that today's video is sponsored by the Art Institutes. Thank you so much for supporting my fashion series. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 11 fashion hacks that you can use on your old or thrifted clothing, ways you can practice your creativity and celebrate body confidence. Hold up, pause. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to join this month's #BackToSchool giveaway. More details will be linked down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Go! As we transition from summer to fall, I wanted to show you a very easy no-sew transformation that you can do at home. You can actually transform an oversized sweater into a very cute sweater dress. So the first thing you want to do is to take off the sleeves. Now that we have the sweater on without the sleeves, we're going to bring the two sleeves together in the front, cross it over once, and then we're going to bring it over our shoulders. Taking a safety pin, we're going to pin the sleeves together in the back. And here is the final sweater dress. I love the cross detail in the front, and who could have guessed this was originally an oversized sweater? So this is how you could transform an oversized sweater into a sweater dress without any sewing or cutting. If you're passionate about fashion, interior design, or filmmaking, I want you to consider the Art Institute's great hands-on programs. They have locations all across the United States along with online classes. Their student body is diverse and multicultural with students of all ages. So it's not too late to get your certificate or degree. So be sure to check out the Art Institute's online programs at artinstitutes.edu/online programs. I'll have it linked down below. Have you ever wished that you could resize an old shirt or one that you found at a thrift store to make it fit you a lot better? It doesn't really highlight any of my curves, so I'm going to take a little hair elastic like this. We're going to add a cute little ruching detail using this hair elastic. Flip your shirt inside out, grab the fabric that you want to ruche. Just like that, flip it back over. This detail on a lot of tops at Urban Outfitters, selling for about like $40 to $50, but I thought I'm going to DIY this because it's so simple and really easy to do to any sweater. I actually pulled this off of an old pair of shoes, or you can use a shoelace, and then thread it through just like that. Make sure that both of your sides of your ribbon is even. And then last but not least, just tie everything into a bow. So here is the finished sweater. I really love the lace-up detail on the side. I think it's super sweet and so cute. Perfect for back to school. Back to school, you might get a lot of free t-shirts during the beginning of the year, but you have no idea what to wear them to. We're going to flip my shirt backwards. Now that you have your shirt on backwards, we're going to tuck it into our jeans. If you want to make this look a little bit more flirty and fun, you could turn it into an off-shoulder top simply by tucking the shoulders down, and you can also tuck in any excess fabric that you have here if it's bunching up. So you can also wear your jacket over so you don't see this logo in the back. Have you guys seen Allie's new video? It's how to transform a purse into a belt bag. It's actually pretty cute. I have to send it to you. So I grabbed this purse that I haven't worn for a couple years now. I've removed one side of the strap and I'm going to wrap it around the smallest part of my waist. Slip it through one of the holes on the side. Be sure to pull it tight and adjust to where you want it. You have the other strap through, bring it to the other side and just clip. So what do you guys think of this DIY? Also store like tampons or little knickknacks in here for a weekend trip. I think it's really great for a festival as well. Clothing hack series, I want to inspire you to think outside of the box when you're getting dressed in the morning. I know this might look like a conventional jumpsuit, but I figured out 2 different ways you could wear it. But you can actually wear this jumpsuit backwards, which is a really fun and playful way that you can wear this for school. So this could be a fun little weekend look, and then if you wear it backwards, it could be a nice daytime look for school. Dressing modestly or covering up does not have to feel or look boring. I mean, you can definitely add a pop of color to your wardrobe. You guys know I have an obsession with denim jackets, and I think I have probably one too many in my closet. First, lay your denim jacket on the ground, and then we're going to flip it over. To the back of this denim jacket, I'm going to add these embroidered flowers. I got these ones off of Amazon for a really good price, and I think it really dresses up the look of the jacket. I'm going to use a hot glue gun. So you can also use fabric glue or to sew it on, but we're just going to be quick and simple today and use the hot glue. One of my favorite clothing hacks. What do you think, Bella? I get a lot of my fashion inspiration from my mom. She was the one who actually made this top right here. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can transform a long sleeve shirt. This clothing hack, just remove the sleeves. So you're left with your shirt without the sleeves, so you can actually just kind of bring it around your shoulders. Take 2 safety pins and pin it together. Wasn't that clothing hack super easy? Take the sleeves and we're going to bring one sleeve around the shoulder, bring the other sleeve around the shoulder as well. Try to lay it as flat as possible. Taking your safety pin, we're going to pin these 2 pieces of fabric together. Bring the 2 sleeves together. I love that you can transform a long sleeve shirt into pretty much any silhouette that you want. All you need are safety pins and your creativity. When I was going back to school, a majority of my budget was allocated towards tuition and textbooks, not towards clothing. What should I wear today? I'm so bored of my jeans and t-shirt kind of look. It's just looking kind of plain. Clothing hack to style up your plain old t-shirt and jeans is to look for a pair of pants that has a waist tie to it or self-tie like this. Untie your waist tie, bring it over your shoulder. Try your best to lay it flat. And then just tie it over your shoulder like this, kind of like a halter top. Clothing hack is perfect for those of you who have a very strict dress code but want a different way to style up your clothing. High five! Oh yeah! One more time. Raise your hand if you can relate. This is such a hashtag short girl problem. I hate when I'm walking around and I like trip over my pants. After I had my pants, I had some excess fabric here and I don't want these to go to waste. I think these would actually make really cute headbands or hair accessories. So first I'm just going to combine the 2 pieces of fabric together by overlapping it. And then I'm just going to quickly and simply knot it together. 2-minute headband. It's so simple and so easy. You could just bring it around your hair just like that. and I think this is a really fun and simple way to spice up your everyday hair look. During the summertime, I scored this long maxi dress for a couple bucks at a thrift store. A quick and simple way to change up the silhouette of the top of this maxi dress is by removing the sleeve. That's a really simple way to create this halter neckline. Maybe you're not a fan of this long maxi dress silhouette and you want to instantly shorten it. Well, take a belt, wrap it around your waist, and then now we're just going to pull the fabric up and over the place where we want this dress to end. Transform my long maxi dress into this chic short mini dress, and I'm going to top it all off with a leather jacket. Now I'm ready for a nice dinner date with my girlfriends. I'm not going to lie, this was highly requested by you guys on my Instagram. You guys asked me, how do I knot my shirts? Now taking the fabric from the back, bring the fabric to the front, and then taking this hand, wrap it over, and then through this loop here, we're going to pull in the excess fabric and pull and tighten as much as you want. Yay, you've reached the end of this video. Comment down below and let me know, what are your current clothing dilemmas and struggles? I would love to solve your fashion dilemmas in my next video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Fashion by Ali to join this month's giveaway for back to school. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you next time.